Welcome back again to my channel. As you see, I have a box in front of me because we're going to do unboxing, and there's a number here. It's because it's just newly picked up from the post. This is a box of the things Anba bought for me or ordered for me, and we're going to show you what's inside. And you see I have Anba's name and our address, and of course it is really packed properly with what you call this, the masking tape. Oh, this is hard. Oh, this is really hard, and I can't use my strength. I think Anba will help me. Okay. Oh. And finally, it's open. What we have here, guys, is the Elgato Stream Deck. This is the partner of my microphone. So let's open and see what's inside. This is the packaging. Really nice. Perfect and good stand. And okay, let's open. This is what inside. This is the Stream Deck. It's the same as a V8. Because there's a button, like 15 buttons that you can use with different effects. So nice, guys. And inside this box we have this one too. This is the cord, charger, and the manual. So this is you're going to put into the laptop or into your PC, and then with this one, and you can use this. It's like, it's either you can have it on flat on your table, or add like that. So it's standing in front of you while you're doing the live streaming. You have this Stream Deck. Like for example, you want to have like a laughing sound, you can also customize this, guys. Just download everything through online with the Stream Deck, the Elgato website. So I hope that you enjoy. This is it, guys. This is what inside our Elgato Stream Deck unboxing. So this is it. And this. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna show you how it's functioning. So this is really nice, guys. Good packaging, clean and hard, and not so heavy. Of course, with the serial number, USB Type-C. So I'm gonna read the manual, how it's function and how to use it. Bye!